Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Infinix SMART 8 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's start with opening the settings, because we'll begin with customization, and after that I'll show you much faster access to this option. So in the settings we have to enter the display and brightness, and here let's scroll down to find the proper option. As you can see, in this device it is called eye care, not the eye comfort or night light. So of course we can turn that on without the customization just by tapping on the switcher, and you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or even amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. It will be also much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. To customize it, we have to tap on it, and as you can see there, we've got the intensity switcher. By going to the left we can make it cooler, and to the right much warmer. Just set it like you want to, I mean on the intensity which is the most comfortable for you. What is more, we can custom the schedule. So the off option is simply manual option, so you have to manually turn it on and off. You can custom the schedule, so set the start and the end time manually, and your device will apply the mode accordingly. Or you can set it from sunset to sunrise, and basically your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is, I believe, location based, so it will be automatic. It's up to you. I prefer the off option. So that was the whole customization of the eye care or eye comfort mode in this device. And in order to find much faster access to this option, we have to unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it from the right side. And here we have to localize the proper icon, which is right here, the eye care. So let's simply tap on it, and as you can see, it will be applied, and tap on it again to turn it off completely. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.